Hey friend, Ernie here. How's your marriage? Ever wonder why there are so many divorce cases in America? In my previous marriage, I have committed a lot of mistakes. But one of the biggest lessons I have learned is that it's all about commitment. Love started it, but commitment sustains it. Without it, love could be dissolved because there are days that you hate each other. But with commitment from each other to keep it, then love is sustained. No matter how big a house you have, a house is not a home when there's no one there to hold you tight, when there's no commitment, when there is no time for each other. Because after all, love is about being one and loving each other.